I think my mom wants me to just choose the easiest one, and I keep telling her I want to actually try to do well, and she says, "You're making this harder for yourself." Hi, my name is Tiani and I'm in Year 10, and I'm going to be making curry puffs, also known as bun curry farm. I hope you enjoy it.
Hello, my name is Ronald, and for my Right Livelihood dish, I'll be serving crispy fried oyster cake with sweet chili and sour sauce. My dish is inspired from this Cambodian dish called pig's foot. My mom usually makes it with different seafood to make it more extravagant.
So my dish it originates in Southeast Asia. It is a street food, and it's basically you get pastry, and you get curry potatoes, peas, carrots, and some spices, and you fold it into the pastry like a dumpling. Even though it's not a big dish, it is very simple, and you can always find it like in special celebrations and family meetups.
A bit of a struggle at the start. I kind of complained a bit when I was cutting the onions and started crying a bit. My mom's guidance made it pretty easy for me, and she taught me pretty well, I think. When I was back in Year 6, I would complain a lot more, and my mom would have to deal with it a lot. So I hope I made that weight a little bit easier on her.
In Year 5, for me it was like a really big thing, and I got scared a lot, but now it feels kind of normal. I cook for my family anyways, so it doesn't feel that scary anymore.
Oh, when she started, there was a lot of worry between my wife and I, because using all these knife and calories and all that, and the fire and oil and all that, we have a lot of confidence in them now. A lot of confidence. Coming home, I can see that my wife says, "Oh, the kids cooking." It's all right. Bring us together as a family, because we can do a lot of things in this world. We can go out and do whatever, but we can never bring back the time that we spend with our children, family time. We can never bring it back. Say 10, 15 years later, we look back and we're gonna miss it.
It's more like connecting with my culture and my family's culture, and it's just being able to spend more time with them. Yeah, just being there with them. It's nice and enjoyable. It's like, as the saying goes, clear environment, clear mind. It's reflected sort of in my study, and I feel like I've just been a lot more focused.
My grandma, I feel like even though I make a mess in her kitchen, she actually secretly likes me coming over to cook with her. So I think this means a lot to her.
My mom's been talking a lot about trying to get me up, because I said I try to reach up for the mid for her, and this time I hope I'll be able to reach it.
Even though I made a mess in the kitchen and I stressed you out a lot, thank you for always being there to help me and to support me. Thank you.
Thank you.